What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as from the title you can see, I'm going to make a natural DIY natural shampoo for men as well as for women. Anyone can use that. No, anyone can use that. It is made up of all natural ingredients. So for the ingredients we need is natural dried amla or Indian gooseberry, as you can say. Natural amla or gooseberry. See, I don't know if you can see or not. Natural amla or gooseberry. I'm so clumsy as usual. And soap nuts or Rita, as you see. Here are soap nuts, if you can see or not. Here are soap nuts. They look like this. Soap nuts and Rita. That was Rita soap nut, sorry. And shikakai. You need shikakai. As you can see, the water is dripping just because I have soaked them overnight with a piece of lemon. You don't have to add that. I have just cut a lemon into two pieces and put that in there with squeezing its juice outside, as it gives a nice smell. So I have soaked them overnight. As you can see. So this is shikakai. Here we have soap nut and Indian gooseberries. See, amla. So you have to soak them at least for 12 hours. At least for 12 hours, or else it will be very hard for them to blend, and as we are going to blend it and make a thick paste out of it. So first we have to soak them overnight for 12 or more hours. Then separate the seeds out of them. We have to extract the seeds and separate them from the seeds, as the seed in the grinder can cause a problem. So the seed doesn't need also, we need only the skin. So separate the skin from the shikakai and Rita, soapberry or that shikakai. Extract those seeds and then blend it. Then strain it with a strainer, or any muslin cloth you have. Strain that and apply the rest to your head. So okay, I'm going to go and make a paste out of it and come back and show you how it looks after blending it and then straining it out of strainer. So as you can see, I have come back. I have dampened my hair as I have to apply this paste. So I have made this paste in a bowl and strain it one time. You can strain it 2-3 times to get a much more finer paste after blending it, to get more granules. But you can see I have lots of granules over here, as I have only strained one time. So you can strain 2 or 3 times. So I'm going to apply this. First damp your hair, then take this and apply this over here. If you need water, you can already see it's foaming up like any other shampoo we did. Apply this all over to your head, and I am going to keep this for like 10 or 15 minutes. It's very bad for your eyes. Oh my god, I got some in my eyes. It's going to water a lot, so stay aware of that. So that it doesn't go into your eyes. It's going to burn like a hell if it gets into your eyes. You can see my eyes are watery. Apply this paste to whole of your head. You can see it's foaming like all other shampoo would. Apply this paste to whole scalp. So I will suggest you to apply once, then wash your head, because at first if you apply it won't foam up that much. So wash that, then apply second layer and keep it for 10 minutes or 15 minutes as you like. I'm going to keep this for like 10 minutes after applying this to my back and full my head. Stripping down. So I'm done applying this to all my head. Yeah, a bit more over here. So I'm done applying to my head. So I'm going to keep it for this like for 15 or 10 minutes. I'm going to keep it for 10 minutes and come back and show you. So as you can see, I have come back after 10 minutes and it's darkened up a bit. So I'm going to go and wash my hair and come back and show you the results and why it does, what it does, and I'm going to tell all these questions, answer all those questions then. So as you can see, I have come back after washing my face, my hair from that Rita and Shikakai Indian gooseberries, soap nuts and Rita, Shikakai, sorry, not Rita. So as you can see, it cleaned my hair very well. So it's a very mild cleaning agent. If you using any hair pack or hair mask in your hair, so you can't use this actually to wash your hair, because it can't remove that much of build-up in your hair. So for a mild or gentle wash you can use that. So using this Retan soap nuts in your hair can darken up your natural color of your hair. So over the time, as you keep on using it, it can darken up the color of your hair. And more of that, the cell of soap nuts and Rita have saponin in them, which cause the lather, which cause the soap like or detergent like feeling, and that cleansing agent clean up your whole hair. It has antibacterial properties, antifungal properties. It's very good for your hair. The only thing is that the blondes should keep it away from their hair, as they can darken the hair up over time. So it's a checking point. But if you are okay with that, then it's very fine. It's very good for your hair. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.